Hello winners and welcome to weekly Forex forecast for EURUSD, PUSD, Pound Yen, Gold, USDCAD and USOIL/VTI. In this webinar we're going to go through entries, targets, stop losses, resistance, support, everything you need to know with the risks and everything for the next week, okay? Sounds amazing to you? Sounds amazing to me. My name is Ewinningstrategy, Forex trader, economist, and mentor. Yes, I do have a mentorship course, and yes, I do have a channel. So if you want my help after this video, we can go into the link in the description below, and you can sign up. And if you sign up before tomorrow evening, you will be in a chance of getting 1 hour with me, when I will go through your trades. I will help you whatever you want you need for 1 hour. That is worth $300. So it's free. It's just click the link below. Trading Forex is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Trading Forex is high risk and also high reward. So do not invest money you cannot afford to lose. Don't risk more than 1% per trade. Awesome. Let's go. So yes, as I said, there is $300 to win worth of services tomorrow, so join in the description below. EURUSD, straightforward and straight, something in that way. If it only goes up there, the main direction now is down. Can you then see a greater pullback up to 1350? I don't think so. Okay. Well, it depends, but what the risk is for USD and the drivers of USD is that there is a stimulus package coming from USA. That was small, just $150 per person in America, so it wasn't big. So I don't think that would have a great, maybe the initial just to buy it up and then sell it again. So definitely looking for shorts. So if you're a buyer, so far at this very moment, there's nothing you can do about it. This was your move. That is 600 pips. Congratulations. Now it's seller's turn. So for sellers, so how do you then trade as a seller? That is an entry for you. Let's see. That is an entry. So that is an entry for you. That is an entry for you. That is an entry for you, and that hasn't happened yet. So I only went for this low, 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 low. That's how I did to support the support here. So where do you want the price to go up? Maybe up to here, maybe up to here. And if it does all the way go up, all the way up to 113, okay, fine. But I think we're going up to 111.50 and then down. Okay. For buyers, well, if price actually comes up here to above 112, then you have a bullish, potential new bullish move up. And is this bullish? I wouldn't say so, but this is a strong move. This was a fundamental move in the link above. I'm giving you the video that I did yesterday. So that explains why this one was moving. Other than that, 50 pip stop loss. And the risk is that maybe there is some positivity coming into America about stimuluses or Europe that will make this go up, unless after that it is going down. Okay, so far we're looking for down move. Pound dollar is, yeah, by the way, last week, so this is the week before last week, that was the buy. Now it turned, made a new low, didn't make a new high though, but only made that high. So that's your entry, and it has just gone down ever since. Can you now anticipate an up move again? Well, yeah, maybe. When there's so strong moves, the pullback always seems to be so small. So for pound dollar, which it took profit after it bought from this area here. Now we have sold it off again. We went down to a new take profit. For this week, we have quite dramatic big variances in the pivot points, and that's what you would look for if you're a buyer. So you want some kind of double bottom, higher high, higher low. That's the only place you can start buying. Unless this happens, we are going to look for sells. So how do you look for sells? You look for some kind of resistance in this area here, specifically in this area of 125.50, and nowhere else. Target so far is 1800, and again I am so scrambled. Why didn't I forget to tell you? 105. Okay, fine. 108.50 for EURUSD, that's the target, or below. So pound dollar. So there the target was 108. Okay, no, 1.1800 flat. Okay, good. And sell around 25.50 with pip stop loss. That's also plan B. So just let me just move this away so that we can just very quickly make the arrows from this area down here, or plan B is this one. Okay, awesome. The harder the move, the stronger the pullback. Okay, this will not move down forever. It's moving down right now. It is a bear market at the moment, which is only down, but it is going to turn around at some point. If it's now, this week, is it April, is it May, is it June, is it July, August? I don't know. But it will turn around when there shows signs of this coronavirus getting better. But America hasn't been hit yet by the coronavirus as Europe has. So it's really in Europe right now. So Americans are still in denial, as it seems. And, well, because of how little they have done to prevent it being spread in America. That's how we look at it, because we have now closed our schools, we have closed we have closed schools, we have closed universities, we have closed libraries, we have closed public institutions. Everyone who's working right now is in health, safety, and those very vital infrastructure companies. Yeah, that's that. So for this week, we are looking into selling around this area here of 1560. Plan B is 1620. I don't think that will ever happen. And I think also this 1560 is a quite strong pullback, but you never know. So there is a strong... So there is some resistance here in this area. So maybe take it a bit lower then. Okay, we can take a bit lower. For gold, 1547, 50 pips stop loss. And this price is, yeah, until it stops, I guess. There is no bottom here, but target for this week could be 1416. But it doesn't seem to be, well, it has actually been respecting the pair points. I can't say it hasn't. And it has, and it has. So technically it still can move like that. Okay? So don't be too eager to do it when it rises, but be more aggressive if it then starts to fall down again, okay? And only sell, don't buy it, as of current. USDCAD, so target was 1416, 100-point stop loss. Risks if America figures out some stimuluses, they seem to be quite happy with themselves on Friday, so maybe not. This one is still, well, this one went quite well, I must say. So that's the entry. That's the target. And after that, it's just higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, continuing higher. This looks to be the low, and target is 141.40. Okay, 141.40, 50 pips stop loss or stop loss below here. If it ever comes down here again, I wouldn't be too sure if this is plan B, but I can say plan B then. But other than that, below here it's no longer a buy, but I still think this will continue higher. Stop loss risks, targets, yeah, everything is covered. US oil, we have reached the target we set. I said 30 in the video last week. If I didn't in this USD weekly, I did it in my live webinar, and after that we have just been consolidating. Okay, watch for breaks of those ones. If you're a buyer, you're just seeing this happening. That could potentially happen if OPEC figures out themselves. They haven't yet. And if this one is broken, we are still continuing lower. So target for sellers is 25.78. Target for buyers is 39 or above. Because if this one starts moving up, it's going to be a rocket. But we still have a lot of risk. We still have the demand going through the floor, and supply is still high. So that means, so if demand goes away, if D goes down, price goes down. If supply goes up, price goes down. So both of those ones are double trouble for oil price. And yeah, don't trade this as its current state currently, but if it breaks any of those, you have permission to do it. Okay, if you have learned anything in this video, please give it a like. If you have learned anything at all, please give it a comment. And if you want to join and get help from me, there is a channel below, a Discord channel that I have. We have topics like trades, like how channels, chats, I can help you. And where I post my charts, I update my charts. So yeah, that's where the help is. So until then, I really love that you watch my videos. Thank you so much. Okay? Until next time, stay safe. Do not risk money you cannot afford to lose.